how to use sound recognition on your iPhone or iPad. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can use sound recognition on your iPhone or your iPad. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to actually go ahead and then use sound recognition, such as your iPhone's automatically detecting what kind of sounds you're listening. For example, if you have people with special abilities that are not able to hear sounds, then you should be able to use this feature. To use this, all you have to do is open up Settings app, and once you open Settings, you want to go to the option called Accessibility, and then once you come to the Accessibility tab, you will see all these sorts of options, basically where you have to tap on the option called Sound Recognition, right? Tap on it and then just make sure to turn it on. Now once you just turn this thing on, it is going to take some time to download the data of sound recognition. Now over here, you simply have to search for the sounds that you would like to enable. In this case, I can just select dog, right? I can just turn on dog over here. I can just allow. So whenever it will hear a dog sound from this point onwards, it is going to notify me. And basically, whenever you hear a dog barking sound now, make sure that the do not disturb mode is disabled, and your iPhone should be able to go ahead and then notify you. That's all it takes to go ahead and then actually use sound recognition on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.